Welcome to the Real Outdoor Experience. Are you looking for something new? A place to learn about conservation, ethics, perhaps sharing an activity with others, create memories, legacy.
Our mission at the Real Outdoor Experience is to help people pursue their outdoor goals from passion to plate. Whether you are new to the hunting and fishing pursuits or wanting to target a new species or wanting to simply get better at one aspect of the sport, we want to help. The internet is filled with hunting and fishing videos that show scenarios that are unrealistic for the novice hunter to fulfill, and our goal is to help those hunters learn where to start the process.
We share our experiences with you. This includes our favorite tried and true gear, how we prepare and cook wild game, including our recipes. Our mission is our passion, to help others enjoy what we love dearly.
There are way too many people who refuse to eat wild game because it tasted bad, was too tough, too dry. There are any number of things that can go wrong between the harvest and the first taste, and we want to assist in making this an easy and enjoyable process for the hunter and for those who are being fed.
You can find our video library on our YouTube channel, our day-to-day experiences and recommendations on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Most importantly, get outdoors, take your kids, and always keep it real.